Hey everybody, so as you all know by now, I was invited to be with John Deere for their Forager Show. So whilst we were in Germany, we organised with some of the guys at John Deere to, well, go see some chopping. So long, losers! Adios amigos, we are in the chopper. So guys, what I have realised is that Germany towns and villages are no bigger than the ones in Ireland.
And the streets are the same bad.
Yeah, like look at this guy, slow! So we have arrived at a company called Agro Tec, and we have choppers and lorries, man lorries. We've got man lorries here, guy. We have jaw spoons, we have... So this is pretty cool. Wonder will they let me do some chopping, so interesting. This is what you call a John Deere injection. So I've counted 2 8.5s and 8.8. Listen, I love it. And a 9.8. And we're going to go chopping. Whoa, that's bright. So really excited about this today. Let's see how this goes. What a shit. Pretty cool. We are in a chopper with Alex. Is it Alec or Alex?
Alex.
Alex. He is cool. He said he could show me how to drive. Look at the paperwork.
Danke, du fährst wieder nach Biering? Jo.
Alex is like doing loads of paperwork.
Wir hören uns. Danke, ja, so, ja, dann heute oben spätestens.
Do you ever get the feeling us guys back in Ireland and the UK aren't getting the full benefit out of all the technology these machines have to offer? Do you run Harvest Lab?
Or
everything?
everything.
2 tankers. Look at the jag legs in below them. Off winter sheet. What does that mean? Bye now.
Bye bye.
Bye bye.
Bye bye.
So, everybody, I'm with Alex and his 9/8 chopper, and this is a strictly lose your shoes chopper. Okay? So we're having a laugh at my Teenage Mutant Hero Turtle socks. I promise I'm not crazy. You're crazier.
Yeah.
So we're about to go chopping. Oh, I haven't been this excited in ages.
So 5 Meter, 4 Meter, 3 Meter, 2 Meter, 1 Meter.
Oh, big block. Left. What a good guy in that 155R. He was keeping you right there.
Yeah.
Also, what I have learned in my short trip so far in Germany is that the German farmers don't lift the big stones either. I thought it was only us didn't lift them and we hit them with the headers. So far this is good. If things get any wetter here or any stickier, he said he's going to make me stand on the back of the harvester to get it to grip. I thought that was very nasty. Oh, you're having fun now.
I having fun. Wow.
Yeah, you're having fun. So all the trailers look to have positive steer, and they all seem to have hydraulic suspension up front, so they can lift and lower to get more grip. I noticed the 3-axle had front lift axle, which is a great job for in the field, so they can adjust the weight on the drawbar to help with a lot of grip. So that is good because they're big trailers. They're big trailers. But you have more 2 axles than 3 axles?
We have only 2 axles. 1 3-axle.
1 3-axle. Wow.
Fritz, hast du Liftachse? Nicht Liftachse, Quickdeichsel.
Ja.
Dann mach sie mal bitte runter und hoch, lass die mal wackeln. You see?
Yeah. And that would make a massive difference.
Gut, danke.
Looking for a bit of grip. Yeah. Dankeschön. Dankeschön. See, I'm
Bitte, bitte.
learning. He likes that I thanked him.
What he says?
Alex taught me some other words on the way here, going through some of the small towns.
Please not. No.
But this is a family show.
Please not that word. Please not.
Love just watching a man do his work and love his work. So we have the field almost opened up with the main man Alex here. We've just been chopping for about, what do you say, 20 minutes, slightly more than 20 minutes,
Yeah.
so we're still on the headlands. We've 1.2 hectares cut and
70 tons.
70 tons through the machine already, and we're not even opened out yet.
Yeah.
We're running at a lovely 1500, 1530. Alex says there's more in the machine, he's just getting all the trailers filled, get them away on their first run, This is like a mouse eating paper, as we say back home. Or here, as they say, is like a knife cutting bread. Yeah. So will the class get it to the top of the hill? This is the challenge.
I think he didn't come up.
You think he won? Or will it be full?
10 euros.
10 euros?
10 euros.
He doesn't get to the top.
Hou je nog met de Alter raus. Ich hab gerade gewettet, dass der Glas da nicht drauf kommt.
Ah!
Ah! Gut, weiter.
Oh!
Return to the right.
See, it's guys like Alex can get brands into trouble. So we're really making this baby work now. Don't mind me.
Komm noch ein bisschen zu mir. Yeah man, gib him.
No problem to the class.
Full. Das hat er
Eine Frage.
Andre!
Anderle.
row your boat gently
Die
down.
alte Dampf.
So guys, now that Alex has filled all the trailers, we are just taking this chance to have a bit of a chat with him. So Alex, your English is very good. Well done, because my German is not very good. So who are we working for?
What?
Who is the company that you're working for? Agro Tec.
Agro Tec.
Agro Tec.
Agro Tec.
And they run loads of John Deere equipment.
Only John Deere equipment. And just kidding.
And Joskin.
And just kidding.
And man. Two-man trucks.
2 man.
Don't know, Gary. I don't know if my influence will stretch as far as Scania, like John Deere, bit's good, man truck. Ooh. We'll try. No Scanias allowed here. But Alex drives the main chopper, and it's a 9.8. And what I'm loving about this little bit of time with Alex is the fact that they're putting all the technology in the Forager to good use. So before you started, you were putting in the data of where you're going, you were taking logs, you are using the harvest lab, everything is calculated. It's not just let's go. Everything, time is taken, information. I mean, on your screen in the corner there, you have the position of all your machines.
This is our position.
Yeah.
Now you can watch. There are the other tractors.
Yeah.
And here you see all machines from. Oops, sorry.
No, you're okay.
You see all machines of Agro Tec.
So basically, this particular job is biogas.
Yeah.
But these guys chop everything from 20 cow herds to thousands of acres for biogas.
The biggest cow farm is 500 cows. 500 cows, yeah.
But there's a lot of biogas in Germany.
Every 10 kilometers you see 2 biogas.
So that means when you're chopping maize for the biogas, they demand to know how many tons dry matter.
Yeah.
And you're calculating all of that.
Yeah.
And so here's our screen. So yep, I can't read that, but
sorry, yeah. These German guys, they are so crazy. What a stupid man. In Germany we say Inhaltsstoffe. It's how much sugar.
oh yes, sugar content. So we talk about dry matter,
Yeah,
sugar,
ADF.
starch,
NDF,
starch.
starch. What do we have again? ADF, NDF, starch, Eiweiß.
So what is starch running at today?
Let me turn it in, then we can see it all. Das ist Sorte ist egal, annehmen. So, here you see it all. It's in German.
So we're running at 30% starch.
Yep.
Dry matter. Which one's dry matter?
The dry matter you have to turn around to the 100.
Yeah, so that is
That's the wet side.
35.16% dry matter.
Dry matter is 63%. That's 35. You're a good man.
So this is the information that is available from the likes of this machine, and it is probably
So kommt the next step.
the main reason that Agro Park run John Deere Foragers for the harvest lab for this technology. So we have the autofill in use. Whoa.
Nicht dagegen schaffen.
Auto steer. Autofill. We have almost finished the first field, Alec. We have 2.64 hectares done. 35.57% dry matter. Is that what that is? Yeah?
35. This is dry matter.
Yes.
Yeah.
And how long have we been here?
45 minutes.
So 45 minutes, and that is 150 tons. Yeah.
Yeah.
That's not even a big field, so that's a good crop of maize. So I see on the front linkage of this 215, it has a steering front linkage, which is for the mowers. What mowers do you use, Alex?
We use one combination of glass, 9.1 meter,
Yes.
with auto sweater.
Okay,
and,
yeah.
One Hüttinger glass, 9.5 meters.
Yes.
Also to get on auto sweater.
And
But there is no band.
So what do you use on the pit to put it into the silo pit? Do you use JCB loaders? Do you use tractors? How do you push?
Grass we push with tractors.
Okay. Maize?
Maize we push with 2 piston pulleys. One piston pulley 330D. It's an old machine. Six cylinder Mercedes. And the second is 300W. It's called W because. Wait a second.
You're okay.
Ich muss gerade mal das Feld wechseln.
So now we have to change the field. Is that what you're doing, Alex?
We change the field.
Yeah.
And then we change here also the field. So when the field is finished, we exactly in this second send it to the office, so they can see how many hectares, how many tons. They see everything of the field which is finished in maybe 1 minute. So they can make the bill.
The bill's there before you get home. That's pretty.
Sometimes it happens really. Yeah.
That is cool. So we're going to go now and see the piston bully.
Yeah.
Yeah. And you think I'll love it?
You'll love it, really.
I would really love it. Well,
Mercedes sound.
Alex, thank you for giving us a run beside you in the 9.8. We'll maybe come back a bit later on and drive it. And
sure, you're always welcome.
Yeah. And thanks very much for showing us your chopper. I love how you keep it so clean. You love it. Do you really love your 9.8?
Yeah, I love it really, really love it.
Have you tried other brands, or is this just your favorite?
I tried when I started driving chopper 21 years ago. Good foot. I started with a glass.
Yeah.
It was an old 880, and Mars is not my best, but 14 years ago I started at this company, Agro Tec.
Yes.
And since then I only have driven John Deere.
But it is a lovely quiet cab. You know, the 8.8 would be a lot noisier. There'd be a lot more noise.
Much noisier.
Much noisier, yeah.
When I remember when I started with Agro Tec, we had the old 7,000 choppers. The cab was so small, so what should I say? I know word for. And then they came to the.
She came back. Good girl. Good girl.
And 2015, when the first 8,000 came, please.
Yeah, so much more room. Yeah,
Nice.
it is a lovely big cabin.
Yeah,
there's
really.
no question about that. Well, do you talk to your harvester? Usually, do you like good girl?
Every day.
Every day.
Every day.
Every day. So you love. Is it a girl or is it a he or a she?
It's a she.
Ah, yes.
Must be a she, Naomi.
Must be a she.
Yeah. I talked to
She is
her.
beautiful.
I could tell her, hurry up. Please do not break.
I love you. Oh.
Next one.
Oh, we're going for a show off here. We like a show off.
No show off. The weight is short.
So this is the GRASSMEN version of the reverse challenge.
So will you arrive at the end of the field? What do you think?
Yeah, no problem.
No problem.
So guys, just a little bit of a, with Alex here, I'm going to go to the pit and see the piston pulleys. So see you later. Bye bye. Say bye.
Bye bye, guys.
Let's go put some maize! I gotta get me one of these! Woohoo! You mad German! We're a mad Irish. Around home is that compaction, do you get enough of compaction? But for moving maize, and you got to remember this stuff is chopped to like 8 millimeters for biogas, it can move everything that the 9/8, but they do have 7310R and class, I think it's an 870, but they're just on the pit at all times consolidating. Now what I found really funny was on this digester there's a JCB, I think it's a 434, possibly 435, one of the older shapes, just sitting around there for filling the digester, and it's not on the pit. It's a strange thing to see a pit being loaded and filled and a JCB in the yard, a big one, and it not being used. It's strange. Also, one of the really cool things we noticed, the drivers always get off, coming out of the field or out of the pit, and clean off the mud guards so that they're not dropping maize onto the ground. Strange, but pretty cool. So there is a lot of compaction going on here. It's a big weight in the blade on the 7310, so obviously it can still push if required. You can see the class is packing it down, and we know those rollers can put a